Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present deviled eggs. Most of the time people make these for special occasions, but this classic recipe is so easy to make, it makes a perfect go-to low-carb snack when those hunger pains come a-calling. Let's get started. To begin, we'll need 6 steamed or hard-boiled eggs. Simply slice the eggs in half lengthwise and gently remove the center yolk. Now, I may have shown you this before, but when I find something neat, I like to share it. This storage container is a must if you're planning to make deviled eggs often. Its simple design holds 1 to 2 dozen deviled eggs and makes it easier to take to a party or to simply store in your refrigerator. After the yolks have been removed, use a fork to crumble. Doing this now helps smoothing out the final product a little easier. Add some mayonnaise to a mixing bowl, along with some yellow mustard, just a little lemon juice, and some salt. Mix well to combine. Now add the crushed yolks to the bowl, and using a flexible rubber spatula, press the mix to the sides of the bowl as you stir to smooth out the yolks as we mix. You can use a spoon or small cookie scoop to apply the filling to the egg whites, but for a better presentation, I recommend using a piping bag. A neat little trick to fill the bag is to use a tall drinking glass or cup and wrap the top around the sides like this. When filling, use the side of the glass to scrape. This simple little trick helps to get most of the filling in the bag. Push the filling towards the tip and twist the top. Pipe the mix into the cavities of the egg whites. Dust the tops with some smoked paprika. Now here's where you can become creative and use one simple recipe to obtain many flavors and presentations. I've chosen some roasted red pepper, pickled jalapenos, black olives, a little sriracha sauce, some dill weed, and some tangy pesto for my toppings, but your options, including bacon bits, are endless. Store in the refrigerator in an airtight container. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my classic deviled egg recipe. An easy recipe you can add your own creative flavor to. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.